Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, let's talk about bookkeeping. It's that universal pain point, right? The administrative black hole that just eats up time.
Absolutely. Even with fancy accounting software, you're often still stuck manually dealing with receipts. It's tedious.
Exactly. So today, we're digging into a tool called Receiptor AI. It promises, and this is the hook, bookkeeping on autopilot with AI. Does it really deliver?
Well, that's our mission for this deep dive, to unpack how it aims to make this whole process genuinely, well, hands-free.
Hands-free bookkeeping sounds pretty good.
And, the story behind it is relatable. The creator was just fed up, like so many people, wasting hours searching through emails for receipts and invoices. It's a frustration almost any business owner knows.
Oh, I feel that. So, okay, let's unpack this. How does Receiptor AI actually solve that dreaded receipt chase? Because that's the real time sink for most people.
Right. So the source material says it connects straight to your email inbox, and not just for new stuff.
Oh.
It does what they call retroactive extraction. It can actually go back years, pulling out old documents you might have missed.
Years? Wow, okay, that's comprehensive.
And then, it monitors in real time for new ones coming in.
But what about physical receipts? The crumpled ones in your wallet? I've tried apps where you snap photos, and honestly, it's often more hassle than it's worth.
That's a fair point. They seem to have thought about that. They have a mobile scanner feature, but interestingly, it leverages WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, how does that work?
You just message a dedicated number with a picture of the receipt. Snap the photo, send it off, and the AI takes over from there.
Okay. Simple enough.
But here's the key thing. It's not just scanning, it's interpreting. The AI actually understands the document.
Understands how? Like, what does it pull out?
Key data. Merchant name, the date, the total amount, obviously, but also the crucial details like tax information, line items, stuff that's really important for proper accounting and often gets missed with basic OCR.
Right, the details that make the difference for tax time or audits.
Exactly. And then it automatically categorizes the expense for you. So it's intelligent data interpretation, way beyond just simple capture.
Interpretation, not just capture. I like that distinction. And this intelligence, it seems like they've really ramped it up in this latest version. This is their third launch, right?
Yeah, third time around. And they've added some significant features, especially for, let's say, more complex setups.
Like, what are the big upgrades for teams or people juggling multiple things?
Okay, two big ones jump out. First, organizations. This isn't just sharing logins. Think about collaborating with your accountant or bookkeeper. Instead of emailing documents back and forth, they can see things in real time within Receiptor AI, maybe flag issues instantly. It cuts out a huge amount of friction.
Okay, that sounds genuinely useful for businesses. What's the second thing?
Multiple entities. This is huge for freelancers, people with side hustles, maybe managing rental properties alongside their main business.
Separating personal versus business or different client accounts.
Precisely. It lets you properly segment everything within one account, keeping it clean for reporting and, understanding profitability for each part of your financial life without these terrible manual headaches.
Yeah, that separation is key. So it's simplifying complexity. Does it also help automate workflows? Like, how well does it play with systems people already use, say Xero or QuickBooks?
Good question. Integration is critical. They've added custom rules. So the AI helps you set up automations based on your needs.
Like what kind of rules?
Things like automatically export documents that meet certain criteria, route specific supplier invoices to a particular folder, or maybe auto-tag expenses based on patterns it learns.
I'm getting smarter.
And there's Ask AI. Think of it like having a quick chat with your data. Instead of manually filtering spreadsheets, you can just ask, show me all travel expenses over $100 from last month.
Instant insights. Or bulk edits.
Exactly. Find patterns, make changes across many transactions at once. And crucially, for those Xero and QuickBooks users, it imports your existing chart of accounts.
Oh, that's important.
Very. It means expenses get categorized the way your accounting system is set up right from the start. No painful remapping later.
That avoids a major integration headache.
Definitely. And one more thing, it works with any language, any currency, so it's genuinely global.
Okay, let's bring it back to the listener. We've covered a lot of features, but what's the bottom line benefit for you listening?
Well, the feedback seems consistent. Users report saving hours, literal hours, every week or month.
Less admin time, more focus time.
Right. Plus, by capturing everything accurately, especially those tax details, you're potentially maximizing your deductions. Less money left on the table.
Which leads to, ideally, less stress around accounting and taxes. Clean, compliant, export-ready documents when you need them.
That's the promise. Turning tax season from, a nightmare into just a process, a calm, organized process.
So moving bookkeeping from being this reactive chore to something proactive, automated, almost invisible.
Exactly. Empowering better decisions because the data is just handled.
This deep dive really shows how AI can tackle these administrative burdens, automating something most people dread.
It really does. So maybe a final thought for you, the listener. How much time could you actually get back if tasks like this were truly on autopilot?
Yeah. What would you do with those extra hours? How could that change your focus and your business or even your life? Something to think about.